You're not bored of him yet? Who?
He knows you.
Question mark? Oh wait, hold on. Question mark?
I just do what you do. It works.
No, nice, he already calls it.
Shinobi's down. I forgot.
I have no idea what this class. Okay, we're gonna do that now. Careful what you wish for, boy. Regrab. Regrab. Forward smash. Damn it.
Come on, Lightning McQueen. Do the things.
There you go. Regrab doesn't expect a thing. Okay. Oh, I didn't think I'd land that.
I didn't think so either. I didn't see it, dude.
Please stop.
What's he doing?
See, I don't get it. Both of these characters you really can't get bored of, I would say. I mean, Highlander's got definitely a large skill cap, and LB's got a lot of... I'd think LB's probably the most boring of us two, but still, he's got a lot to him.
Yeah.
So I don't really understand. Warden could understand. There's a couple other characters.
Why would you jump forward?
Why are you... I literally just beat him with guard breaks. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, you can throw him against the wall for some serious damage. Oh, never mind. You don't need the wall.
Nope.
I was thinking of getting that effect for him.
Highlander, I never go for the wall, actually.
You should throw it to the wall and then don't hold down your button. Just start tapping it, because then you'll do the top heavy, which does 5 extra damage. Nice Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
How'd he know?
Yeah, complain about the Wi-Fi.
You want to try this again? Wow. Ooh, okay then.
Do you want to, like,
Regrab. Okay. Nice! Okay, that was stupid. Get hit.
No.
I'm dead.
You should have toast that. You should have toast that. I bet you would appreciate it.
Yeah, that would have been a greater kill. That would have been funny.
Yeah.
I almost had him. I did the dumb where you, as LB, when you have the unblockable coming, you do the shove instead. That was dumb. Shouldn't have done the shove. Okay, what's your grandiose plan of having me in the corner? I don't know what that plan was, but I don't think it worked out. Okay then.
Can you not
Go.
my backlight, bro? Great.
Man, salt. Why? You know I feel the same thing over and over again. Are we gonna do this? Warning, by committing to this, you're going to end up getting killed. No.
Gordon? That is.
Regrab. Light. Light. Heavy. Grab. Sometimes it's just too funny.
Victory!
Lightning McQueen wins again.
Lightning McQueen wins the game. Kerchoo. Do you think they'll rematch? I doubt it. They're gonna look at. I think they're gonna look at your Wi-Fi and say nah.
No, not the Wi-Fi.
Easiest
Wait,
to is LB.
I should play a roach.
I'm pretty sure every. Yeah, there they go. And there they go.
Round 1.
Oh great.
And change my name to Derp. That's it.
I've got this. Heavy. Light.
Unported inimicus.
You're gonna no.
Unported inimicus.
Nice side of it.
Unported inimicus.
I think he's
Wow.
back as much as I am. Yup.
No.
Really?
Okay, so we're doing this a second time, mate. I should have done my quick one. I got my quick one.
You didn't know it was gonna do
I didn't know
that.
Lightning McQueen made people so salty.
I don't know. I didn't do anything like salt either. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't see that.
Okay, so we're doing light spam. I'm an LB main nerd. I mean, not an LB main, I'm a Highlander nerd.
By the way.
Oh, yeah, he's dropping packets hard.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
are.
he is dropping packets hard. Holy shit. That went twice as fast than it should have. It went at least twice as fast than it should have. Hey people, PC here. And that's not exactly what happened. Let's go back and take a look. Now, as you can see, it actually didn't go twice as fast. At the end is where the problem is. He ended up skipping the last couple frames for parrying. As you can see, my Lawbringer even goes to parry it. And of course, I didn't hit the feign button because, you know, he's out of stamina. So there's 100% guarantee that I'm going to parry this. So why didn't I parry it? Well, it looks like it just ended up skipping the last frames, like I said. And on his end, and on, I guess, the server's end, it went through and killed me. But in reality, I'm pretty sure I had the timing and everything down straight, but I guess that's just lag for you. Don't worry, I'll get him back for it. And, you know, maybe karma will kick in, too.
Yeah, these guys are not fun to fight.
No,
I'm guessing
no,
they
no.
don't think we're fun to fight either.
I think you... No, what did it put us? Where did it put us? We're all at 100 ping. We're all at
Around
90 to a...
Japan.
Yeah. Probably put us somewhere like... It doesn't even... Damn. That's okay, I'll take my 35 and my 30.
How am I supposed to block anything?
Yeah, that didn't work at all.
What? Watch out, fucking JJ just killing me right now. I don't know what to do, man. I can't do anything. If you think your shit's bad, look at mine.
Ad mortem inimicus.
I'm still gonna get them back on my revenge.
Ad mortem inimicus.
Oh,
And that
being
proves a
dirty.
point.
Thank you, Tipa.
Yep, you hit your penalty, boys. Get out of here. I want to genuinely just one time say, hey, it's Lightning McQueen. It's Lightning LB.
Round 1.
Lightning my bees.
Yes, Lightning B.
Ad mortem inimicus.
Okay. Thought I could get away with that.
Ad mortem inimicus.
Yo, Lee, Wamba. I hate you. Go away.
I was gonna try and save that, but that charge. Imagine if I just stand behind her and block her. Ooh, laceration.
Victory!
Didn't mean to do that, but it happened.
You know what?
My mouth
It
do
worked.
things. It looks good. You know what? It works. Death.
You know what? It works, dead.
Round 2.
Let me see if I can get that sick, nasty impale now.
Unported!
You want to challenge everything I throw? Oh, that was dumb of me. I shouldn't have done that one.
家在此，
Throw a light, throw a light, throw a light, light.
你中招了。
Okie dokie, let me just...
Unported inimicus!
Flip that wrist. Ouch, that's a big thud.
Victory!
Great finish.
It's always this for you. It's, oh god, you're at 130. Oh man, I'm at 66. Are they in Australia? Well, already salty. Obviously, wherever they live, it's still, or either that or they're West Coast. Probably West Coast.
Unported inimicus!
你中招了。
No, no bait.
你中招了。
Wow, wow, I'm impressed, I'm impressed.
你中招了。
Oh, hold on. Right, regrab. 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 You know what? I tried, okay?
Your theory doesn't always work, bro.
Alright, throw a light. Throw a light, throw a light, throw a light, 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 throw a light, throw a light. Throw a light. Throw a light. Thank you.
Unported inimicus!
你中招了。
Bitch! I saw it coming. I saw it coming. Get played. Get played. Oh my god, that was amazing. I knew she was gonna try. Oh, I just bumped my mic. I knew she was gonna try it. I knew she was gonna try it. The biggest toxic troll fail in history right there. It goes right to Lil Scaly Wag. I will put you down in the Hall of Infamy as the worst troll in the world. Damn.
Biggest fucking memer.
Biggest memer. Damn. I'm